Our first transformation is 90 degrees clockwise rotation about the x. Rotation means we're going to turn it, and about the x means the x stays right where it is. To move this 90 degrees clockwise, you could think about a clock. So the hands of a clock move in this direction. So our rotation will also go clockwise. The easiest way would be to drop a vertical line. My yellow line that I just drew is 5 blocks in length. So if I rotate that in this direction, 90 degrees, I'll make a right angle 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, I can see that the Z would be 2 blocks away, or 2 blocks up from this bottom of the line that I drew. So 2 blocks up, right here is where Z would be. And you can see that Y is also 2 blocks away. So 2 blocks away right here is letter Y. So this would be Y prime, Z prime, and our new X prime. Then construct the triangle. And that's what our 90-degree rotation will look like. For number 2, we translation 8 units down. That means the figure slides down 8 units. So start with whatever point you want. I'm going to start with R and move it down 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My new R, or R prime, would be right here. Next, I'm going to go to Q and move that down 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My Q prime will be right here on the x-axis. And then finally, letter S. I'm going to drop that down 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So S prime is right here. And then connect to construct the triangle. So that's what your translation should be, 8 units down. It just slides down and it's still congruent. We should also write the congruency statement for the new triangle. Our congruency statement would be triangle QRS is congruent to, that's what this means here, Q prime, S prime, and R prime. I think I forgot to do that for number 1, so you should go back and do that. Number 3, this transformation is a dilation by a scale factor of 3. Of 3 means we're going to multiply every ordered pair by 3 to make the new figure larger, 3 times larger. So first I like to write down the original ordered pairs and then my new ordered pairs. Let's do the original ordered pairs first. Okay, so our original A is in the origin, so that's just 0, 0. Our original B is over 0 and then up 2 blocks. And our original C is over 3, but then it doesn't go up 0 or doesn't go up at all. So there's our ordered pairs. Now, to do a scale factor of 3, we're going to make new ordered pairs by multiplying everything by 3. So starting with A, 0 times 3 is still 0, and 0 times 3 is still 0. Then go to B. 0 times 3 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. Then ordered pair C. 3 times 3 is 9, and 0 times 3 is 0. Now take these new ordered pairs and plot them on the graph. 0, 0 is A prime. Over 0 up 6 is B prime. And over 9 up 0 is C prime. Then make your triangle. You can see we've enlarged the little triangle to make a much bigger triangle. It's 3 times bigger. Now we write our similarity statement. And here's our statement. The original triangle ABC is similar to A prime, B prime, C prime. It's the same shape, but not the same size. Our next transformation is a reflection, which is a flip, over the x-axis. So we're going to reflect it over the x-axis. To do a reflection, just count from the x-axis each point. Letter H goes down 3 blocks. So H prime would go up 3 blocks. Letter I, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, so the new I, or I prime, is up 5 from the x-axis. And then put your new point and label it I prime. And then continue. L. L is down 5 blocks, so the new L, or L prime, is up 5 blocks. And label it L prime. Let's continue with K and J. K goes down 7 blocks, so the new K would rise up 7 blocks. And J looks like it's also down 7 blocks. So the new J is up 7 blocks. J prime. Then connect to make your pentagon. Now you don't have to have all of the squiggles that I have. I'm just showing you that on this video. Okay, finally let's write our congruency statement. These pentagons are the same size and the same shape. JKLI is a twin. It's congruent to, so equals and the squiggle, congruent to J prime, K prime, L prime,